Hey guys, Gina Olson here. I am your elite status presenter for Team Trendsetters. So today I just thought I would pop on. I thought you guys might appreciate me walking you through on how to make a VIP page and why it would be important to have a VIP page on Facebook. So whether or not you joined this business just for the amazing deal on makeup, because it's an amazing deal on makeup, like a phenomenal deal on makeup, right? Whether or not you joined just for that, to get your makeup at a discounted price, to get to share with your friends and family and maybe make a little bit of side cash, to do this as a part-time hustle or a full-time job, whatever you chose to do, a VIP page I have found is a really good tool to have in your back pocket. So why would you want a VIP page? You would want a VIP page so that when you realize that you absolutely love this month's kudos, you can share it in one spot. A VIP page is that you can bring all your friends, your families, your neighbors, your coworkers, your church people, everybody together in a group. So that when you want to say what this amazing deal is this month, because Younique comes out with a special kudos every single month on the first day of the month at 6 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, you can share it in there. You can share a testimony. You can share, it should be a safe spot for you to be able to post without having fear kicking in if you're not comfortable posting on your main wall. You should be able to, testimonies, you guys, tips, tricks, beauty advice. People love that stuff. And if you're excited about a product, you're gonna wanna share if you love it, right? It just is natural. Just like if you found a restaurant that you loved, you would wanna share it and tell people about it. If you watched a movie that you absolutely thought was fantastic and you thought someone should go to the movie theaters to watch it, you would let them know. So that's kind of what your VIP page can be. Another reason that you should have a VIP page, if you ever wanted to offer a discount to any of your friends or family, you can only do that in a closed group. You cannot post a deal on your main wall. So if you wanted to, for example, post like a 2-for-1 on lipsticks, you can't post that on your main wall, only in your VIP page. So it's super easy to set up. It doesn't take a lot of time. And yeah, I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's see if this will work for me. We're going to screen share here. Oh, there's my main page. That's Tristan and Ruby. Okay, so I'm going to go to my internet here and hopefully my Facebook will pop up and not have anything crazy on it. Okay, allow. You never know about Facebook. Okay, here we go. All right. Ooh, Brittany's on our team. Looks like her daughter just got her bedroom redone. All right. Let's get to business here. On the left-hand side on your laptop, if you're on your laptop, it'll say groups. And if you click that button, all the groups that you are in will pop up. And this is also how you clean up your groups. If you were once added to like a million groups like me, this is how you clean them up. This is how you, if you have no desire to be in a certain group anymore, like for instance, an It Works group, I don't really have a desire to be in there. You just click the decline button and then leave group. It's a really great way to clean up groups. But what we're going to focus on is pressing the little plus sign that says create group. So this is how you create your own special VIP group. You need to come up with a name. So for instance, my personal one, you guys, is Trends Luscious Lashes VIP. It doesn't have to be crazy. You don't have to take 5 days to think about it. It could just be as simple as Gina's Beauty Base, or it could be Gina's Boot Camp, or Beauty Boot Camp, or it could be, I don't know, whatever you want. Maybe something that you're interested in. You need to add at least one person when you create this group. I'll add my husband. There we go. And the nice thing is now that Facebook lets you, you can write a note to somebody that you add. So before, people were just like having to just dump people into groups. You can actually write a note that says like, hey, just wanted to invite you to my new beauty VIP group. Stay tuned, or like stay tuned for more info. Can't wait to share with you. I'm super excited, or something like that. Okay. You don't have to like word vomit in there, but then they know that that was your personal touch. Okay. You can also pin it to shortcuts, and that's how it will come up on your Facebook, like in the side there. You'll always be able to find it. So then if you go to create, so there's a couple things before you want to invite a bunch of people. And I should say for these, I think it's okay to do like a one-time deal when you can invite like all your female friends, like by the masses, and then that's it. You don't get to invite hundreds of people over and over because nobody likes to be thrown into groups over and over. You gotta pick a little icon. Let's do a present. That's cuter. More cute. Or coffee. I love coffee. Actually, my coffee is sitting next to me here. Or whatever Facebook chooses for me is fine too. Okay, so we'll take a tug on that coffee here real quick while that's loading up. And you want to find a cover photo. So the easiest way to find a cover photo without having to spend a bunch of time on creating, you guys, people have already created things. Don't reinvent the wheel. Just go to Google. See, it wants you to upload a photo. I don't know if I have one in this computer. Kind of don't think I do. This is a newer computer. But what you would do is you could just go to, without totally confusing my laptop and getting it all out of whack, you can just go to unique, or when you're on Google, and I'm using Chrome, which I haven't really ever used before, but I've noticed a lot more websites are requiring Chrome, and actually Unique's website works a lot better if you're on Chrome, just FYI. Yeah, and it's slow. We're slow here. I hope you guys are all having a great night. Drop those emojis in the comments. Okay, so go to Unique. You can do banners or cover photos. Let's do banners. And you're going to find a whole bunch of them here. So find one that like maybe speaks to you. Okay, so I'll just pick this one. And you will click on it, and when it pops up, you will save it. Okay, you'll save it, and here we go. Hopefully it makes sense why I feel like a VIP page, even if you're just doing this for fun and to share, it makes sense because it's a great way to share about these amazing products without having to send like 50,000 messages. And because if you're just bringing everybody together and you share in this group, and it's true that sometimes people don't see things when they're in a group, but you could always tag them in the post. Okay, so I saved it. So then we'll go back to my Gina's Beauty Base here. And we'll go to downloads. And I'm gonna click this banner. So we're gonna open that. See if that works. If not, I'll just show you mine. Oh, hi. Are you gonna work? Sorry, I don't know. We have so much internet going. Oh, there we go. Okay, so it's set up. You can reposition it however you want. And then you would just save changes. There we go. So basically right now you have a VIP group. You could also in the description. So in the description, I personally have found not to get too wordy in there because a lot of times people don't see it, but I like to always have your website in there. So you might put like shop or browse and then your site, okay? And make it simple. whatever your site is for unique, whatever will direct them right to your page. Okay. But basically that's it, you guys. So when there's like an amazing deal, when there's an amazing kudos, when you want to share something, that you absolutely love. I mean, when you want to share a testimony of somebody else, whatever the case is, this is where you can do it. And this is where you can bring those people together so that they can see your excitement as well. And they can see these products also. So just to give you like a really quick, I'll let you into my VIP page here. One thing about a VIP page, anybody that's on my team, I'll let in, but don't let a bunch of presenters into your VIP page. Your VIP page is like your baby. It's your baby, and they're not going to buy from you anyways. So don't let a bunch of unique presenters in your page. Unless of course they're on your team and they need to learn. So here's my VIP page. I took a little bit of time to make a banner, but certainly that's not what needs to be done. If you're just doing this, like just to get the word out with friends tonight, but tonight I'm doing it tonight, on Friday. And here is the only spot where I can say that anybody that shares my spot in a drawing to win a full-size product from me. I can only say that in my VIP group. I'm not allowed to say that because of compliance. This is where I can thank people for ordering from me and just share what you're passionate about, share what you love, share the products that you love. If you don't like a product, don't share about it. Positive, share beauty tips. Someone shared drinking water, because in my lives, I am always talking about the importance of drinking water. So it makes sense that one of my VIPs would post something about water in here. I'm sharing the kudos, you guys. It's so important just to get the word out, and it takes the time out of having to, call mom, call grandma, call my sister, call my next door neighbor, and tell everybody what the deal is. Because here's the deal: it's in this group. You want to know my deals. You want to know what's up. You want to know what I love, what I'm passionate about. You need to be in this VIP group, because this is where I share it. This is where I lay it out for you. And if I feel like people aren't seeing things, then I can tag somebody in a comment. So it's super, super helpful, you guys. I am certainly, my inbox, in case you don't know me, is always open. Sometimes it's open too late, says my husband. And I will be more than happy to help you come up with a banner, come up with wording. I'm always here, you guys. Just message me, reach out. Don't be afraid. Don't be scared. I'm here to support you. So I hope this video helped, and I hope you got something out of it. And maybe if you don't have a VIP page, maybe you'll consider having one, because it really is a good tool to have in your belt. So happy Friday, January 25th. Have a great night. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.